Hello and welcome to another year in my garden. I've been working on a few other projects and taking things slowly, saving energy for the new gardening season to come. The first snow has fallen this year and we've had a few nights with temperatures below zero. Although it's still far away, there are already a few signs of spring. Some of my spring bulbs start to pop their heads above the soil. These are tulips. The flower buds of the hellebores are slowly making their appearance. Behind the boxwood, the flowers of the Christmas rose are lighting up their little corner of the garden with lots of white flowers. When the flower buds of the hellebores appear, I start removing some of the leaves, especially the ones that are damaged, have a disease or are rubbing against the flowers. As it is still early, I leave some of them a little bit longer for protection. The polytunnel was frozen, but inside some of the daffodils start to appear. They don't need protection from the frosts, but from the rain, otherwise the bulbs would rot. In the polytunnel in the vegetable garden, the rocket is growing slowly and the agapanthus are nice and warm. I do cover them with fleece for the night if it gets below zero. Now it is the time that you can start sowing peas. I'm using a multi-purpose potting compost with sand for drainage. I like to grow mine in modules, making it easier to transplant them into the garden. I place one pea in a module. Finally, water them and put them somewhere warm to germinate. When the first shoots appear, I place them in a cold frame. hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time.